As usual, nandito naman kami sa aming winter vacation. Kasi walang araw. Wala si Haring Araw.
In the world, best island in Asia, most desirable island in the Philippines, of course, Palawan. Welcome po. Ako po si Alona. Just call me po Ate Alona. I'll be your guide for Underground River Tour. Si Kuya Ruben, our band captain, nakalimutan natin.
Good morning po, ma'am.
Ayan, that's a highly recommended driver po going to our destination kasi it's far from the city but it's also part of Puerto Princesa from Asturias to Sabang area po, which is located, the Underground River, located at the north midwest of Puerto Princesa, located in Barangay Cabayugan and Sitio Sabang. So nag-start tayo in Asturias, so it takes about 1 hour, 15 minutes, 12 seconds. Ayan. Probably. So that 1 hour and 15 minutes going to our destination po, and you can experience po the road. It's lahat po zigzag ang dadaanan natin.
Yes, lots of zigzag.
If you feel dizzy or if you have an motion sickness, don't ask me. Huwag po mahiyang stop natin ang van. Pero ngayon po, we will go directly to the Sabang area because today it's Saturday, so expected delay tour. Waiting po tayo ngayong umaga. Wise, there's a lot of tourist po that we visit po in Underground River. So that's why ganun po ang process ng tour po natin. That's why we take a picture of your ID kasi ipa-process natin doon sa Sabang Information. But don't you worry po, Eileen, our same company po moving right now para mauna siya at makakuha ng queue number para hindi na tayo mag-antay pa ng konting antayan, konting oras na lang po ang aantayin natin. Okay? North Midwest of the city, Barangay Cabayugan, Sitio Sabang, ang ating destination po ngayon. So, Puerto Princesa Underground River, that is the longest navigable underground river in the world. It has 8.2 kilometers, but all of the guests po that would visit in Puerto Princesa, they allowed only 1.5 kilometers of the cave. But bago po natin marating yan, dalawang bangka po ang sasakyan natin in the Sabang area po. The first one is, we call it po, motorized boat. Ang motorized boat po, it has a capacity of 6 and 8 person. Pero ngayon po, it's 6 lang ang allowed, you are 10. So, we divided natin po sa dalawang grupo po mamaya ang ating grupo. So, dalawang bangka. Then, all of you po, remember the motorized number. It will be the same boat po going back to the wharf. Pero okay, mag-alala, nandoon po ako, kasama nyo po ako all the way to the park. Hatiin natin ang grupo. So, yung motorized boat number po, tandaan po natin yan ha. And expected po, ang waiting time po medyo mahaba-haba ng konti. Kailangan po ng mahaba-habang pasensya po. And the part of the Sabang area, the weather po doon is unpredictable. So, umuulan dito, baka po sa Sabang walang ulan. Expected po lahat. Ready to get wet. Kasama sa tour yan, aakyat, bababa, babangka, aakyat, bababa po tayo sa motorized boat. And also, in the paddle boat po, ganun din po. So, yung splash of the water, kasi part ng west ng Sabang, the spacing West Philippine Sea, and expected, you can experience po yung alon. Yan po mamaya. Nakikita nyo ang parte po ng Sabang. Then, pero, habang nag-aantay tayo ng oras, we have another activity na pwede natin gawin doon. So, highly recommended. Sino ba nakakatala ng mga mangrove dito or bakawan? Dito nyo lang makikita yan. Sa area po ng Sabang area, that's part of the kind of forest on the Sabang or part of the St. Paul Mountain, which is 8 klase ng forest ang makikita dito sa St. Paul Mountain. Number 1, they offer po mangrove paddle boat. Did you hear our exotic food and Puerto Princesa, Palawan. The Tamilok.
Tamilo.
To complete your vacation in the city, you must try our exotic food po. We call it po Tamilok, a longest oyster in the Philippines. We call it po woodworm. Ayan. You wanna try that po, Mami? Papakita ko sa inyo yung picture ng si Tamilok. Ito po ay kasing lasa ng rin ng oyster, pero mas masarap ito. More yummy, more delicious than the Tamilok. Ayan. You eat fresh, ito po ay galing sa mangrove po, nakahoy. Yan, bibiyakin, kukunin ko ito, uhugasan, tatanggalin yung laman nito. Then, sasawsaw lang sa suka in kalamansi. Diretso ka. Masarap siya, ma'am. Mas masarap pa ito sa talaba. Pero, while po ito, malinis, kasi sila ay nakukuha sa bulok na kahoy ng mangrove. Ang mangrove paddle boat po, you cross the river and you can see the century-old mangrove on the area. Super ganda. If you have lots of negative vibes in your body, i-absorb yan ng mangrove trees. Yan. So, ma-refresh yung utak ninyo. But again, not included in your package. It's 350 each. But the 350 each po, worth it na kasi nakatulong kayo sa community. So, isa rin party po ng community-based sustainable tourism to help with the community and area. And also, another activity we offer habang nag-aantay, the zipline. We have the zipline po sa area. 800 meters, you cross over the sea, pero we have a little bit of trekking. Kung hindi kaya, wag na mag-zipline. Pero highly recommended po yung zipline kasi kita-kita nyo yung view ng Sabang and the Bloomfield Mountain. Pwedeng gawin yan habang nag-aantay po doon sa Sabang area. Optical air time, sayang kasi ang waiting time. Marami naman pwedeng gawin. But again, it's an optional. If majority we do that, pwede natin puntahan.
Yes, at andito kami ngayon sa underground river with my sino ba to? Ayan, you can see our background. Ayan yung mga ano ba naman? Pero mag-iba yung ano. Ayan. So, as in reserve park talaga siya. Very nice place. So, recommended siya sa mga tour natin. Of course, 7 wonders of nature in the world, ha? Included siya sa number 7. So, kaya pagmamalaki natin ito. So, ngayon, pupunta kami ngayon doon sa station yata to. Tara naman. So, later, papakita namin sa iyo ang ano. So, okay. And, papasok na kami. Dito sa ano, registration ko lang ata ito. Oo, registration. Dito, tapos marang orientation pa ata at kukuha ng mga gear. So dito kukuha tayo ng mga gear. Yes, registration.
I'm on the bay.
Here we go. Pupunta na kami sa loob ng
Underground River.
underground river. So meron daw monkey dito. Meron daw monkey dito. Tingnan natin kung kamukha ko. Pag hindi monkey yan. So, napakaganda niya. As in, reserve siya na nature. So, kung ano talaga, very nice siya for tawag dito. So, no?
Why you here?
So, palabas na sila. Papasok pa lang kami. Hello. So, yan sila. So far, wala si Monkey. Nakatulog siguro.
Tulog na sir.
Lasing siguro kagabi.
Disco last night.
Oo.
Nag-fiesta. Nag-fiesta sa kabila.
Ha? Oo. So, ayan na siya. On our way. So far, wala si Monkey. Monkey? Where are you? Wala si Monkey. Why Monkey? Nasaan ka? Ikaw pa naman ang hinahanap ko. So, si Monkey. So, ito na yung entrance ng underwater. So, maghintay tayo ng kung kailan tayo So, okay. Pupunta tayo doon. At marami pang naghihintay. Hey. Yes, we're here at Underground River in Palawan. As you can see, different type of Yahoo! Yeah!
Picture na pa.